Alright brains, today we're combining the Mathler and the Nerdle. So what we're going to do here is we're going to solve this Mathler. We're going to find the hidden calculation that equals 89. And then we're going to take that whole equation and we're going to stick it into the first guess of the Nerdle. So we're just going to go from there and see where it takes us. So let's start with this Mathler. We have to find the hidden calculation that equals 89. So let's start with something. Let's do something simple. I always say that. Again, guys, I never know where to start with these. So if you could please give me some hints in the comments below of good starters, that would be greatly appreciated. All right, let's do something close to 89 to start. So we'll go 90, and then we'll do plus 8 minus 9. No, that seems like a waste. Plus 7 minus 8. That'll give us 89. We get the plus minus. Let's see what we got. Enter. Okay, there is the minus at the end. No 9 or 0, and no addition. So what that kind of tells me is I think there's probably multiplication. And obviously the subtraction at the end. So, all right, let's do some multiplication. My guess is it'll be either 1 digit here times 2 digits here, or 2 digits times 1 digit. Either way, the multiplication will happen first, so this one's actually kind of tricky. It could be either one, but I kind of like starting backwards too. So let's start with minus. We know it's not 8, but we know there is a 7 in there, so let's try 7. So 7 plus 89, that gives us 96. So we need to find some multiplication that equals 96. So right away I'm just thinking 96, that's divisible by 3, I believe. I think it is. So it is, and we have not guessed a 3, so let's do that. So 33 times 32 is 96. Minus 7, that would be a waste of a guess because there's an 8 in there somewhere. Let's see. So if we want it divisible by 96, is 96 divisible by 8? And I think it is. So 8 times, what has it got to be multiplied by? 10 is 80. 12? 12? And then subtract 7. Let's see if my math is right there. Okay, it is. And we actually have all yellow, so again, this is one where I was saying the order doesn't matter in the front there, and I think they tricked us up, but let's do this. Alright, 12 times 8 minus 7 equals 89. Let's jump into the Nerdle now. So it's 12 times 8 minus 7. 12 times 8 minus 7 equals 89. There's not enough spaces. I messed up. Alright, well, we're going to have to improvise. Let's do 2 times 8 minus 7. I'm just going to have to cut off the end there. I ironically didn't do the math right, so we're going to cut off this 1. And we're going to go 2 times 8 minus 7. So 2 times 8 is 16 minus 7. That might not even be a 2-digit number. 16 minus 7 is 9. Yeah. Man. Does it let you do that? Okay, it does. Sorry about that, brains, but we're just going to go for the Nerdle based on what we have now. So there is a minus, there is an equals. The positioning is looking odd to me. My gut is telling me it'll be some minus over here, maybe multiplication, and then equals a single digit. So we can multiply by something small, like a 2 or a 1. And let's use a number we haven't guessed yet, so we'll go 6. So 6 divided by 2, that'll have to be 3. Or I'm sorry, something times 2 will be first. So if we did something like 46 minus, what do we have to get? If we have to get 6, that means whatever it is. Let's do 4 times 2. That'll be 8, right? So 8 plus 8 plus 6. What's 8 plus 6? 14. 14 minus 4 times 2 equals 6. And that's 14 minus 8 equals 6. I think that's all right. Let's give it a go. Okay, we got the minus in the right place. And we really like limited the numbers here. So it's 1, 3, 5. And 7. Okay, that was kind of a waste of a guess. I should have known that there had to be a 7. 17 minus, there's no multiplication either, so maybe we try that division. 35. I know 35 divided by 7. I think it's divisible by 7. Is 5, yes, okay. 35. At least that'll give us, I'm gonna go 15, because then we're guessing the 5 there. Minus 7, maybe we'll do 17. Minus, I mean there could be another minus. 5 minus 3. And that's 9. So that can't be the equation here. But it could be 15 minus 7 minus 3. And that'll give us a 5, right? Let's give that a go. Okay, we're getting closer. There is the minus 3 there, but the 7 doesn't go in that spot either. So maybe it'll be the 7 at the end. So let's work backwards. What's 7 plus 3 is 10. 10. Maybe, if we know the 5 doesn't go there at all, 17 minus 3 minus 3. Could be 13 minus 3 minus 3. Equals 7. Let's see if that's it. Oh, tough. Okay. Well, we know it's equals 7 at the end. We're running out of guesses here. We only have 2 more guesses. All right, brains, bear with me here. We're going to have to use some big brain power. Could be 11 minus 1. I'm just trying to think, because it can't be that 7 there. And I don't think it's 17 minus 7 times minus 3. So 11 minus 1 is 10 minus 3 equals 7. This is tough with all these doubles. All right, there we go. We got the Nerdle. We tried to use the Mathler. Didn't quite work out. Thank you for bearing with me, and let me know if you have any fun ideas that I should try next time. I'll see you brains tomorrow.